Hello, second graders, and welcome to EL Lesson 59. Today we're on page 13 of our module books. And we're going to be coming up with ideas to share about how plants grow and survive. So that is our learning target. We're going to try to participate in groups today. I want to hear your voices. So that is the big question today is, how do plants grow and survive? Think about that for a second. What sorts of things does a plant need to thrive? So we're going to fill out this box here with some of your ideas about how plants grow and survive. So we can also think about defining things, examples, and characteristics. So our learning target, I can participate in a science talk about how plants grow and survive. So let's just take a little bit of a review. When the sun shines and warms the ground, the seed coat breaks open and the seed begins to grow. This is called germination. A root grows down into the soil. The root takes in water and minerals from the soil for food. There's the root, and here's the word of what's happening, germination. Up grows a shoot. Green leaves grow up from the shoot toward the sun. So the plant's going both directions, south and north, up and down, into the soil, digging into the soil, and also reaching up towards the sun. Oh, I love this. It's so beautiful. The plant grows bigger and bigger. The leaves make food for the plant. I'm going to read that again. The leaves make food for the plant from the water and minerals in the soil, the sunlight, and the air all around the plant. So I just read several things that the plant needs. Air, sunlight. Remember the other book, space? It needs some space. You can't crowd plants. Finally, the plant is fully grown. Buds on the plant open into flowers where new seeds will grow. So let's talk about, what did you hear? How do plants grow and survive? Let me grab a pen. How do plants grow and survive? Well, they need what? Plants need. And I want you to tell me the things that they need. I want you to list them. Some of them are here on this page. Air. What else do I see? Sunlight? Water, maybe? What sorts of things does a plant need? Plants need, and then to survive. So on this middle line, I would like you to come up with at least 2 things a plant needs to survive. And when we share today, we're going to have some norms. We want to listen to others with care, speak one at a time, stay on the topic of how plants grow and survive, and respond to others' ideas by adding on or asking questions. So you could say, hey, Dalila, could you tell me more about, or hey, Prince, I don't really understand what you mean by. And then let's look at page 14. I want you to think about the skills that you have used to research how plants grow and survive. You're going to circle one skill that you have improved on during this unit. And then we're going to write one important thing that you learned about plants because you took initiative as a researcher. So initiative is like you took the interest. You were curious enough to care. One important thing you learned about plants because you took initiative. I learned. So that's how you're going to start this sentence. Tell me what you learned. I learned blank, and it needs to stay on topic about plants. So tell me what you learned. And we're going to follow those discussion norms. Listening, responding, and asking questions. I would love to hear those sorts of things, and we'll practice doing them. We have finished Unit 1. Next week is our last week of school, and we'll be on Unit 2 of this new unit about plants and pollination. All right, guys, I'll see you soon.